Motong i-emphasize ni ma'am ang importance ng continuing learning. No? From time to time, we have to update ourselves because ang environment nato is keep on changing. Nagbabago siya, naging komplikado na. Dati, simple na tayo. Naging komplikado because of the emerging threats in our surroundings. No? Before, ang balaod nga nag-regulate nato is RA 5487. Diba? But this time, we already have RA 11917. Siguro, some of you here, ang naabtan sa last training niya is still 5487, but now, you have to learn about 11917. Because kinahanglan ninyo na as your guide, no? In your respective work. Kinahanglan na to siya. Now, when it comes to learning also, you do not only learn from your instructors. You can also learn from the experiences of your classmates. Kaya ang ilang mga experience, no? Na wala ninyo naagihan, you will gain an idea kung saan pag-confront sa different ubat lain-lain na sitwasyon sa inyong trabaho. So not only from the book, but also from the experience ang ato ang learning. No? So take this opportunity to learn more, to enhance your knowledge and skills para maklaro na po balik ang ato ang pananaw. In other words, maklaro ang ato ang pagsabot sa ato ang trabaho. No? That is what we meant by enhancement, and later on, you will be refreshing also. Okay? So, take advantage of this training. Anyway, after this, antong sa saan ninyo after this bitaw, pila na po katuig bago mong report kay ma'am, 5 years na po, di ba? Ngingawon mo sigurado ni ma'am Evelyn anak. So, again, learn from your instructors, learn from your classmates in order for you to have a holistic knowledge about your profession. Thank you. O mayong buntag ka na tanan.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your message. And before we end our opening program, we request to indulge us in a quick photo opportunity together with our RCSO personnel. Palihog ko ang inyong mga lilingkuran, ayaw sa lamig sa sandiganan, ibutang ang mga kamot sa lap. Lap, dire o. Ibutang dire o. Sa paa. Ibutang sa paa yung mga kamot. Dire ka no.
One, two, and three. Wala. Okay.
Okay, pwede na mo ginawa. Okay. Ay sana. Bapa. Ay sa, mag-finalize sa ta.